Morning children. Today let us begin the exercise 13.2. This first question, a solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere with both their radii being equal to 1 centimeter and height of the cone is equal to the radius. Means height of the cone is also equal to radius and both the radii, cone as well as hemispheres radii are equal. Find the volume of a solid in terms of pi. So here this is the cone which is on the hemisphere and the radius of hemisphere and the radius of a cone is equal. And here it is given one more thing, the height of the cone is equal to 1 centimeter which is equal to radius. Means height of the cone as well as radius are equal here. So we have to find the volume of this solid. So we have to add volume of a cone plus volume of a hemisphere. So that will be volume of a solid. So what is given here? Height of the cone. Height of the cone equal to height of the cone h equal to 1 centimeter is given, and radii of this hemisphere and cone is also 1 centimeter. Okay, and we have to find the volume of this solid. So volume of a solid equal to volume of a cone plus volume of a hemisphere. Which means volume of a cone is pi r, volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h, 1/3 of volume of a cylinder, plus volume of a hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube. Okay, now we will substitute value here. 1/3 pi is 22 upon pi in terms of pi we have to find, so pi will be as it is, and here radius is 1 square and h is also 1 plus 2/3 pi is we will write as it is, and this radius of the hemisphere also is 1 centimeter, so 1 cube. So we will take the common 1/3 pi, so we will get from here 1 square means 1, and here 2 and 1, 2 into 1, which means 1/3 pi into 1 plus 2, which will be 1/3 pi into 3. So 3 will be cancelled, means pi cubic centimeter will be the volume of a solid so formed. Okay, next question we will see. Let us see second question. Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with the 2 cones attached at its 2 ends by using the aluminum sheet. Means he has made a model like a cylinder shape and he attached 2 cones at the 2 ends of this model. Okay, then the diameter of the model is 3 centimeter. The diameter of the model is 3 centimeter, which means diameter of a cone as well as diameter of a cylinder will be 3 centimeter, and its length is 12 centimeter. Total length of the model is 12 centimeter. If each cone has height 2 centimeter, means at both the end there is a cone and the height of each cone is 2 centimeter. So easily we can find the height of this cylinder. How? Because total height is 12 centimeter and from this total height it will subtract 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter, means 4 centimeter it will subtract from the total height, so you will get the height of the cylinder. Okay, find the volume contained in the model that find the volume of air contained in the model that Russell made. So here we have to find volume of the air contained in the model. Okay, which means how much volume is there of the model, that much air it can be contained in the volume of air we have to find, which contains in the model. So we have to find the volume of, which means we have to find the volume of a cylinder plus volume of a two cone, because these both the cones are of the same size. So we can write that volume of a cylinder plus volume of this cone plus volume of this cone. Okay, so we will write here height of a length, diameter. What is given here? Diameter of model. That will be diameter of model, means diameter of a cone as well as diameter of a cylinder. Diameter of model is 3 centimeter. So radius will be 3 upon 2. Okay, and the height or length of the model equal to 12 centimeter. So, and height of a cone, height of each cone equal to is given 2 centimeter. So therefore height of a, we will represent height of the cone with the small h, and height of a cylinder we will take by capital N. Height of the cylinder will be 12 minus 2 minus 2, which means 12 minus 4, it will be what? 8 centimeter. Okay, now we have to find volume of a model, and that will be equal to volume of a cylinder plus volume of a 2 times volume of a 2 into volume of a cone, because they are in the same size, so we can multiply by 2. Okay, so it will be volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Here capital H we will use because height of the cylinder we represent by capital H, equal plus volume of a cone will be 2 into 1/3 of volume of a cylinder, means for pi r square small h. Okay, now what is common from here, or we can substitute value here. What it will be? 22 upon 7 into radius will be 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 whole square, or you can write 1.5 also. Okay, 1.5 square into h will be kept this height of the cylinder, it will be 8 plus here 2 by 3 into 22 upon 7 into r is given 1.5 square into h will be what? Small h will be height of the cone, each cone, so it is 2. We can take common 22 upon 7 into 1.5 square. So what is left now? 8. From this term we will get 8 plus, from this term we will get 2 into this, we take to common 2, 1 upon 3 also we can take common, or 2 by 3 will do. 2 by 3 and this will be also 2, which means 22 upon 7 into this will be 15 square. Square of 15 will be 225, and before 2 digits we will put decimal. Then we will take LCM here 3. This will be 8 3 24 plus 4. which means we'll get here 22 upon 7 into 2.25 into 28 upon 3. So 7 1 is 7, 7 4 is 28. Now we got this 3, so you can cancel this 225. 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are, this is decimal, 3 7s are 21. Remainder will be 1, 1 5 15, 3 5 are 15. Means we will multiply this both the number and we will this 4 2s are 8. Means we can write here 88 into 0.75. 0.75 into 88, we will get 8 5 the 40, 0 carry over 4, 8 7 the 56, 56 plus 4, 56 plus 4, 60, 0 carry over 6, 8 0 is 0 plus 6. Then we will get the same. So here we will get 0, here also we will get 0, it will be 6, it will be 6. And before 2 digits, we will put the decimal. Which means we got here 66 cubic centimeter, and that much area will be of the this solid, and it is asked how much air contained in the in this solid. So you can write 66 cubic centimeter air will be contained in the